Hello everybody, today we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Harry Potter Hogwarts Collection on Blu Ray, DVD, and digital HD ultraviolet. The version I got off of Amazon here says that it has a digital copy that's going to expire on December of 2019. Alright, so let's crack right into it. Alright, so taking off the plastic, we are greeted with a box and a J card. Here is the J card. All the information you want to read there. You can just pause the video if you'd like. And then we got on the back here, picture of the collection with all the discs. Kind of what each part of the documentary series covers. And then, some more information on the ratings and digital copy and such. Alright, on the physical box here, it's got like this roughed up texture to it. Kind of almost looks like a black concrete wall, sort of, I guess. It has the photo, like this panoramic photo with Harry Potter and then all the other characters in the back. And that is like glossy, whereas the rest is, I'd say more semi-glossy. And then it has Harry Potter Hogwarts Collection here embossed. On the back, wow, it's pretty. It's an embossed Hogwarts crest and some more of that roughed up style of, I don't know what it is, cardboard maybe. It's really tough though. This is like, it's not, malleable like cardboard is. But let's slip this box off and you are greeted with, actually, yeah, it's empty. So it is pretty hard though. So set that to the side. Inside here we have the actual, I guess, digibook, if you want to call it that, of all the discs. And you have that beautiful Hogwarts crest above the Harry Potter Hogwarts Collection text. On the back we have a shot here of the gang. This is from Deathly Hallows Part 2. And on the spine we got Harry Potter Hogwarts Collection. So I'm just going to flip through this for you so you guys can see what's inside. First of all, I'm going to remove this digital copy. It looks like it is one code for all of the movies. I'm going to try redeeming it through Movies Anywhere, because through Disney Movies Anywhere, most of the time you can redeem a box set through there and it'll give you the individual copies, whereas if you try to redeem it through Vudu, they'll usually do a bundle and save type deal, which I'm not a big fan of because then it groups all of the movies under one listing. And so if you're not a fan of that too, I'd recommend trying it through Movies Anywhere to avoid grouping all of your movies under one listing on Vudu. If that's your primary video, that is. Alright, so on the left here we got a awesome shot of that Hogwarts castle. And this is really vibrant too. It almost looks like an HDR picture of the castle. But beautiful glossy photo. And here you have kind of the table of contents for what's inside this big old book. Flipping through, we have first off the year 1 Sorcerer's Stone. We're going to have 4 discs here, all with, well, I was going to say matching art, but it looks like each variation of the discs is slightly different. It looks like only in color. The pattern is for the most part the same, but the color palette used in each one is a little bit different. So that's not just the camera. If you're looking at the color palette here, each of these discs are a little bit different, but the pattern is overall the same. Kind of a nice touch. If that was what was supposed to be done, if that's a manufacturing error, then well, that sucks. But I'm assuming that's what they tried to do with this set. So first disc here we have the movie with the theatrical and the extended. Second disc we have theatrical only, and this is Blu Ray, DVD. And then we have here disc 3 with the special features on DVD, and disc 4 with the part 1 of the documentary series on Blu Ray. Flipping to the next page. Ooh. So I don't think it was a manufacturing error. I think that's intentional on the manufacturer's part. So nice touch then. Not a manufacturing error. We have Blu-ray movie, both theatrical and extended for the second Chamber of Secrets. And then on DVD we have the theatrical. DVD we have the special features, and on Blu-ray we have part 2 of the documentary, and this is the characters. Flipping on to the next page, we have The Prisoner of Azkaban. We have the movie, and the DVD movie, so Blu-ray DVD special features, part 3 of the documentary series, which is The Creatures. And I think that the theatrical and extended versions only came with the first and second movies, because all of the other movies did not have a different cut released for them. So it's kind of a shame. I'm sure there's more stuff they probably could have thrown into a cut, but by this point it's probably long past the opportunity to release another cut of these movies. For here we have Goblet of Fire. This is Blu-ray movie, DVD, and then DVD special features, part 4 of the documentary, which is the sound and the music. And then this is where the discs start becoming just they essentially move all of the special features to the documentary. So it's kind of getting rid of a disc for the next couple ones. So we have the Blu-ray movie, Order of the Phoenix, DVD movie, Order of the Phoenix, and special features plus the documentary, part 5, the evolution of the series. And I do like the art on this one. And then here we have the Half-Blood Prince number 6, and this one is the Blu-ray movie, DVD movie, and special features, plus the part 6 of the documentary, which is the magical effects. And then we're back to 4 discs, but for a different reason here. We have Deathly Hallows Part 1, we got Blu-ray, DVD of the movie, and then special features plus documentary, Part 7, the story, and that's on another Blu-ray disc. And then this is where they start to have 3D movies. So we're going to have a 3D version of the Deathly Hallows Part 1. Personally, not a big fan of 3D. I don't own a 3D Blu-ray player, so I won't utilize this collection to its fullest extent, I suppose. But it's kind of nice to see that they included, something that maybe somebody with a 3D Blu-ray player would be capable of enjoying, but, whatever. And it's got a nice shot of them down there, Harry, Ron, and Hermione. Next up, and finally for the movies, we have the Deathly Hallows Part 2, Blu-ray, DVD, and on Blu-ray we also have the special features plus Part 8 of the documentary, which is Growing Up. And finally the Blu-ray 3D movie for Deathly Hallows Part 2, and a nice cool shot of Voldemort shooting a sweet spell. Alright. And finally, I wasn't expecting this, a bonus disc with even more special features, which is, they're kind of described below in this little box here. So, also we have the shot of Hogwarts burning here, which I think that provides great contrast with the shot here. Perfect contrast with colors, too. You got a nice blue shot of Hogwarts looking beautiful here, and then a nice warm shot of Hogwarts burning to the ground here. Kind of symbolizes the transition of the series from, more lighthearted to darker. So I'm very happy with that, actually. Alright, and there's the picture I showed you earlier. So this collection normally runs for an MSRP of $200, which I am not willing to pay. I ended up getting it on Black Friday. It was like a flash deal on Amazon or whatever for $80. So I am beyond pleased with that for the price of that, or for the price of it being that, because that's about $10 a movie. That's basically nothing. So all the movies on digital, all the movies on Blu-ray, all the movies on DVD, and the last 2 on 3D. Plus you get theatrical and extended of 1 and 2 on both Blu-ray and digital. Plus the just the theatrical of 1 and 2 on DVD as well. So 31 discs. That would be, 10 digital copies because of theatrical and extended of 1 and 2. And all for, and the special features, not including the documentaries. It's a lot of here. And, for $200, some people could justify that. For $80, I'd say it's a no-brainer. If you like Harry Potter, this is the definitive collection. I know they released 4K, not really that big on the 4K. I think that, I don't know, Blu-ray's probably going the way of the DVD, and 4K is going to be the new Blu-ray, yada yada. But anyways, for now, this is the perfect collection. I know they have another one with 4K that has like all steel books and everything, but that one was double the price of this, even on sale. So I'm more than happy to end up with the digibook than a steelbook. And these are great movies. I'd never had the chance to own them, so this is just the perfect collector's item for any Harry Potter fan looking to, expand their collection to Blu-ray. Alright, well that's going to be everything for today. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, please do leave them down in the comments. I try to read everything and respond to as many as I can. If you like this video or want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.